request you to forward any questions that you may have to the panelists. Kindly introduce yourself, and if you want answer from specific panelists, please do mention. Thank you. You should be very careful in giving written questions to regulators. I'm warning you for, in your interest.
No, for the students it's exemplary.
Okay.
Feel free to question.
I would suggest that while the written answers are coming, anyone would like to ask an oral question?
You can read out the question.
Yeah, I would like to ask one question.
Yeah, please.
I'm Bansal Roda from Tata Energy Life Insurance. And my question is, are we limiting the price of our customers regarding unit products? Every company, whether it's providing one facility or another, it's almost similar. There's hardly any change. So whether we are restricting our customer to very limited price. I would like to ask Mr. Subramanian.
Okay. See, the point is actually there are various products sold by the insurers, ULIP products. The customer has got a reasonable choice of buying any product which he likes. Only thing is the distributor should explain what is the product and what customer really needs. That's why we are telling you the feature what you call know your customer, etc. There are various things in fact. So that is very important in fact. First of all, before the distributor goes to the product, prospect, actually you must understand the needs of the prospect and then offer a good product. Particularly in ULIPs, there is investment risk which has to be borne by the policyholder. So you should briefly explain about the market risk. The market may go up or may go down like that. I should definitely say the choice is more for the customer in fact. Actually the difficulty is for the distributor to explain that. Okay?
Any other questions?
So, we have seen that in case of new ULIP products, the commissions which is being related to the agents, they have been decreased. So now it would be difficult for the companies to market this product or to sell this product. So basically, how is the companies taking this new, difficulty? Basically, this question is with Reena ma'am. I want to ask, how the company is taking this issue after having the decrease in the commission of the agents, which is related to it.
Yeah, from the distribution perspective, that really is an issue. And however, I think because it opens up a wider market, that is our belief. That instead of the ability to sell one product, one policy at an X% commission, you can now sell 2 or 3 at a X minus some % commission. So on an overall basis, maybe it is possible that you will still be able to retain the same earnings. So a little bit of extra effort, both from the company side in terms of additional skills, additional support in creating leads, in creating new markets, identifying new channels of distribution, new ways in which the distributor can reach the customer. So a little bit of support from the company side, a little bit of effort from the distributor side, and of course, like we said, there is a wider customer audience which has opened. So in the beginning, You know, for those who are used to selling one plan, two plan and making X amount of commission, that will impact. But I think over a period of time, and that won't be very long, you know, because people are adaptable at the end of the day. When your incomes are affected, people adapt. So they will adapt, and they will soon find that they will be also selling higher ticket sizes. You know, because if you see over the years, ticket sizes have been increasing. And in fact, some of the products in which the highest ticket sizes exist, because even within a company, we will not always have the same commission for, say, all products. So some products will have higher, some will have lower. But even products which have the lower commission will tend to have the higher ticket size. But they sell because there is some other inherent attractiveness in that, which is important to the customer.
Just to supplement her, this is also focus on improved persistency. Policies will stay longer in the books of the company, premiums will come for longer time than it has been happening in the past. So perhaps same policy may in the long run not yield lower commissions. So, but yes, volume will have to increase and number of sales will increase. Now, I have $1 million question for Mr. K. Subramaniam. The person asking the question is Mr. Ankur Gupta from BIMTech. ULIPs have been in place for 9 years. Why has taken IRDA so long to come up with these regulations?
I think it's a wonderful question, really. The thing is, why IRD has to make such regulations? If you question yourself, you will understand. See, there is a lot of